Hi children, today we will learn lesson number 1, our universe. In this lesson, what you learn? You learn about introduction, second one, the galaxy, third one, the universe, fourth one, the solar system, fifth one, meaning of planet, sixth one, movements of the earth, seventh one, meaning of satellites, eighth one, conclusion. First one, introduction. When we look at the night sky, what we see? We see stars. Stars are large balls of hot burning gases. What do we see in the morning sky? We see the sun. The sun is a star too. It gives us heat and light. It looks bigger and brighter than other stars because it is nearer to the earth. Now we will learn about the galaxy. If you look at the sky through a telescope, you will see a vast space. This is our universe. The universe contains thousands of stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. A large group of stars is called a galaxy. There are many galaxies in the universe. Next, we will learn about the universe. How was the universe formed? Many years ago, there was a big explosion or a bang, and a huge fireball was created. The fireball spread out over a vast space. As it slowly cooled, tiny particles were formed. Over many thousands of years, these particles came together to form the heavenly bodies. Scientists believe that this is how the universe was created. This idea is known as the Big Bang Theory. We live on the planet Earth, which is tiny part of a galaxy called the Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Many years after the Big Bang, the Sun and the planets of our solar system formed near the edge of the Milky Way. The solar system. This picture shows solar system. It includes the Sun, the 8 planets, their moons, and pieces of rock and dust. The Sun lies at the center of the solar system. After the Sun, the most important members of the solar system are its planets. First one, Mercury. Second one, Venus. Third one, Earth. Fourth one, Mars. Fifth one, Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn. Seventh one, Uranus. And eighth one, Neptune. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Now we will learn about meaning of a planet. The word planet comes from a Greek word which means wanderer. All the planets in the solar system move around the sun at different distances and speeds. Now we will learn about movements of the earth. All planets have two kinds of movements. First one rotation, second one revolution. Now we will learn about meaning of rotation. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. Revolution. Planets or satellites move around the sun is called revolution. Now we will learn about meaning of satellites. The small companions of the planets that move around them are known as satellites. These satellites vary in size, shape and number. The Earth has only one satellite, that is Moon. Now we will learn about conclusion. The Sun is the only body in the solar system that has its own light. Planets and satellites have no light of their own. They shine because they reflect the light of the Sun. Let's recall. The universe is a vast space which contains thousands of stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. Second one, the Big Bang theory says that the universe was created in a huge explosion many years ago. Third one, the Earth is a part of a galaxy called the Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Fourth one, the solar system consists of the Sun, the 8 planets and their satellites. All planets have two movements, rotation and revolution. Thank you.